Hi, I'm Millian, and this is Business Boss, your daily business motivation. Today's topic is something we don't always think about, but it's absolutely crucial: a functioning society. As business leaders, we often get caught up in the hustle, the daily grind of driving sales, cutting costs, and scaling up. But there's a bigger picture we can't ignore: the health of the society we operate in. Why does that matter? Because without a functioning society, business itself is at risk. Let me break it down for you. A functioning society is like a well-oiled machine. It's made up of countless moving parts: businesses, governments, communities, and individuals. Every piece has a role to play, and when one part isn't functioning properly, the whole system can break down. It's not just about compliance or regulations. It's about being a responsible player in a larger ecosystem. The way you conduct business impacts your customers, employees, and even the communities where you operate. But here's the hard truth: we all have a role in ensuring that society functions well. It's not just about following the rules, it's about creating value that elevates the people around you. A business that only looks at profits and ignores its societal impact will eventually face backlash. Think about it. If you're cutting corners or exploiting workers, it might save money in the short term, but eventually that behavior will catch up with you, whether it's through legal action, customer outrage, or losing the trust of your employees. On the other hand, businesses that invest in their people and communities set themselves up for long-term success. They make the social fabric stronger, which in turn creates a stronger economy and better opportunities for everyone. They take responsibility for their actions and their impact. They know that their success is deeply intertwined with the well-being of the society they operate in. So, how can you contribute to a functioning society through your business? Start by thinking beyond profits. Ask yourself, what positive impact am I making today? It could be something small, like ensuring fair pay for your employees or giving back to the community through charitable contributions. Or it could be bigger, like advocating for sustainable business practices or championing equality in the workplace. A key point to remember is that real success is about balance. You can make money and still be a force for good. But if your values aren't aligned with the values of the society you're in, you're building a house on sand. Here's a challenge for you. Take a step back today and assess your business's role in society. Are you just focused on the numbers, or are you thinking about how you can make a positive, lasting impact? Ask your team what more you can do to help those around you. And remember, a functioning society isn't just something that happens. It's something we all build every single day. If you found value in today's discussion, send this video to someone who needs to hear it. And if you haven't already, join our community of forward thinkers here at Business Boss, where we're not just building businesses, we're building the future. I'm Millian, and as always, stay motivated, stay responsible, and keep striving to make a positive impact.